everyone. Today I'm going to share whatever you give in universe, it come back. That's the law of karma. So if you're going to spread a lot of joy, lot of love, it is going to come back to you only. All right. And if you're going to help a lot of people are going to help you in your journey, right? On the contrary, if you are going to think how I can use this person for my own benefit, then a lot of people are going to use you as well, right? So there are a lot of people these days on social media who just think of their own benefit, right? And who think like how I can use this person or that person for their own benefit. So if you're going to do that, like a lot of people do, follow, unfollow, right? And if you're going to do that, then a lot of people are going to do same thing to you as well, right? So I see like a lot of people tell me like I should go ahead and share their profile, right? So if you are active member of this community from last 6 months to 1 year, and you are engaging on my post, of course I'll go ahead and share your name, right? Or why won't I, right? So because I know who are people who are helping me and who are active members, so of course I support them as much as I can, right? But if you will just think that like you are just going to use somebody and then for your own benefit, then that's not going to work here, right? So that's what I want to say, and I'm quite straight person. Okay, so yes, so I know like people who are helping me in my journey, I automatically share their profile. And yes, so I see like a lot of people do that, right? So that's what I want to say. Like if you're giving a lot of hate, lot of criticism in universe, same thing is going to come back to you. Or even if you are entrepreneur or you're a coach, if you're helping a lot of people are going to help you as well in your journey. And if your mission is great, you're going to connect with people who also have great mission in their life, and they are also going to help you in your journey. On the contrary, if you're going to think how I can go ahead and use this person for my own benefit and then I can just discard them, same thing is going to happen with you as well. So that's law of karma, right? So that's what happens, right? So that's what I want to say. Like if you help a lot of people are going to help you back in your journey. And if you criticize and hate and give negative comments to a lot of people, then same thing is going to come back to you as well, because everything come back in universe to you. It's a circle of universe, right? And also I see like a lot of scams are going on. So if you will go ahead and try to earn money in a wrong way, then same thing is going to happen to you as well. And if you will go ahead and help a lot of people and you will try your best to help someone, and then of course a lot of people are going to help you as well. And if you're a coach as well, like if you're investing in yourself, then of course you will attract customers as well who will invest in you as well, right? So though it's not related, I just shared just like that. So that's what I want to share. Like whatever you give in universe, good or bad, everything is going to come back to you. So if you're full of love, full of joy, and you are sending so much happiness, joy, and you compliment people and you make them happy, a lot of people are going to make you happy as well in your life, and a lot of love is going to come back. That can be overwhelming sometimes. But if you're going to hate a lot of people and you're going to get jealous and you're going to get envy, then same thing is going to come back to you as well. So be mindful of what you're saying and what you're giving to universe, because everything is going to come back to you. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care.